Okay, so I told you that I go over page 74, number 14, so here it is. I'm going to go ahead and read through it and then explain how to go through this one. So number 14 says Sally Longfeather earns an annual wage of $43,589. Then it estimates her job benefits. It's got her benefits and then expenses, and then the end says to find her annual net. When you're finding a net, you usually always, well, first of all, when you find a net, you're always going to subtract something off. So you have an original amount, and then you subtract something. In this case, what we're going to be finding is our benefits, and then subtract off our expenses, and then that is going to be her net job benefits, okay? So you're going to end up subtracting these two when you get your solutions on each side. So I made my T-chart, and I'm going to start with my benefits. So benefits, her annual wage is $43,000, and then she's got a percentage based off of that for her benefits. So I'm going to take each amount and multiply them. So I have 43,589, and then multiply that times 31.5%. Okay? When you do that, remember that this is going to be the decimal point 315 when I multiply. So when I do that, I get the number 13,730 and 54 cents. Kind of ran out of room there, but that says 54. Okay, so that's the benefits. Now I'm going to add the original plus her benefits, and that's going to give me her total. Okay, so add those that I colored in green. So we're going to add 43,589 plus $13,730.54. And that, when I add them, comes out to a total of $57,319.54. Those are all of the benefits. It's the gross of her benefits. Okay? Then we're going to go to her expenses. So her expenses in the problem start at insurance, which is 4% of her wages. So I need to take 4% of her wages, which was again 43,589. And again, when you do your percent, make sure you do your decimal correctly. It's 0.04 is your decimal. When you multiply it, you're going to get 1,743.56. Okay, so that counts for her insurance. Then we've got transportation, and then they give us a fixed amount for that. That's $1,296. Her dues, $200. Birthday fund, $50. And that's it. So we're going to total all those up now. And that's going to be $3,289.56. So those are all of her expenses. So now we're on to the final step. We need to take her benefits and her expenses and subtract the two. So when you do that, we're going to get, let me write it down here, 57319.54 minus 3289.56, and then that's going to equal her net, which is $54,029.98. And that's it. That's your answer. Okay. All right. So there it is. So hopefully this helps. Go through and look at the rest of the problems and the answer key. I'll post that in a moment. And hopefully that'll help you study tonight. Don't forget, also study the vocabulary. Remember that the tests are vocabulary heavy. So go back and review all those terms. On page 70, there's a list of all the terms in a brown box. Starts with adjusted gross income, cafeteria plan. So you can go through those. Those are all the terms that you want to study, that list right there. Okay, good luck. I will see you tomorrow.